What's up, everybody? It's your boy Walking Mondu. We're back here again at Wrenchtrenchers Garage, and today, yeah, you guessed it, we're gonna be doing some more sanding. So I'm gonna go and put you on the time lapse, and you'll start to see that I'm gonna go ahead and start some of these areas that need the most work first, and the rest of it will just be kind of a smooth down with the 400 grit. So I'm talking too much again, so I'll see you later. Okay guys, it is right around 3:40 in the morning, and I have gone through, I know I didn't film a lot of it, but I only have till the 9th, and today is the 2nd to get this car into paint. And I went ahead and block sanded, hand sanded, and sand sanded, whatever, every inch of this car. And now it just still got some dust on it, but this thing is totally smooth now. So I even did back here. It wasn't really a block sand, but I had to hand sand this, but it is completely smooth up here. I went ahead and did all that, and I did the fenders, I did this. I've been out here 10 hours at least just block sanding, just sanding, block sanding, and making sure everything is ultra smooth, making sure there's nothing in any of this primer. And I'm done with all the block sanding. I did all the block sanding myself. It took forever, and I'm getting eaten up by bugs and everything else. I'm getting destroyed over here, but I'm a man. And I have things that I need to accomplish, because men accomplish things. Alright, I'm tired. I'm just talking shit now. Alright guys, I'll see you in a little bit. Look what we got. Straight from Custom Ink. It arrived a lot earlier than I expected. These are some, I'm going to show you what these are. We're going to do a little unboxing here. So excited. And if you guys don't know what Custom Ink is, of course they do like t-shirts, stickers, stuff like that. So I went ahead and went through them, and we've made some little promo items here. So if you didn't see before, here's what we got. That's right guys, official Wrenchtrenchers t-shirts. I'm so excited. Sorry I'm quiet, but man, I'm like marveling at what's going on here. So we got the black t-shirt with the white lettering. So I figured I should just show you guys. Now right now these are just kind of promo things, so I'm just kind of just handing these out to just the local folks. until I get some arrangements, payment arrangements and stuff, and then I'll go ahead and actually have these for sale. They might be slightly different, but for the most part, they will be official Wrench Trench shirts, and they will be for sale soon. But I just had to go ahead and do this little unboxing with you guys. I'm really excited. I really appreciate you guys watching my channel and you know, just kind of supporting me. So that I greatly appreciate. But I just wanted to go ahead and share this with you before I run off and go pick up paint for the Nissan. But yeah. But in case this is just gonna be its own video, you guys, Wrench Trench out. What's up, everybody? Alright, so as promised, I'm back in the shop. It's nighttime, so we're going to be doing a little bit of night wrenching. So I guess today, the only thing I'm going to do today now is just kind of going to blow off all this stuff, get all the dust off of it. I didn't do that yesterday. And you know what? We can start kind of putting this thing back together and getting it ready to take out for the for paint. So that's what I'm going to do. See you in a bit. Alright guys, well, I've been sitting in here for a very long time, just kind of contemplating my little game plan here. But, well, as you can see, first of all, you know, I got the fenders on. But I think I want to go ahead and paint the vehicle with the bumpers off. I think I want them to paint the bumpers and the side skirts separately. I know I'm all manly and stuff, but I decided that I'm gonna wait for Eric to come back, and he can help me put the hood on, and we'll just paint it with the fenders and the hood on, and then the bumpers can be painted separately, and the rest of this will just kind of get taped back up. I don't know if I'm going to be doing any taping today. I'll probably do that later on in the week, just before it's time to take it, because I don't like leaving tape on too long because it gets really hard to peel off. But even the automotive stuff, if you let it sit too long, that stuff will be terrible. But in the meantime, I think I'm going to go ahead and just start removing the black off this trim. I did do a test of that on the old beater car, and it worked fine. I just used a little stripper and just don't go crazy with it, and it came off just fine. And you make sure you clean it off really good so it doesn't continue to eat through the chrome. But it worked good, and that's what I'm going to do. You see, it's Already flaked a whole bunch here, and underneath is this really gorgeous chrome. So I kind of just want to reveal all the chrome instead of having, you know, just this blacked out section here. I also went ahead and decided to sand and prime. I'm using black primer because these are going to go black anyway. Decided to go ahead and sand and prime the door handles. So those are going to go back in black. There's a chrome trim around there, so that'll look cool with the rest of the chrome. But yeah, I decided to go ahead and keep the side molding, and I do want to keep the trim of the side molding black. And that's only because I'm keeping the door handles black. So if the door handles are going to be black, I might as well keep that trim part black. And as you can see, I've also peeled off that rubberized stuff here, and most people just paint over it, but I think I want to conserve that as black as well. So I do want to keep some of the little black accents on here, but I'm still going to go ahead and paint the mirrors red, and I'm going to paint the spoiler red. So it's just going to be basically lines and door handles are going to be in black still. But that's just kind of where I'm at right now, just kind of in the contemplation stage, you know, last minute decisions and such. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and just start that and start taking this black off of this chrome, and guess throw the wheel on there. And yeah, but I'm gabbing now, so see you in a bit. Alright guys, so I went ahead and finished the chrome. Looks pretty good. Kinda dig that. There's probably still little teeny little nuggets kinda hanging around in there, but no big deal. It actually looks really good. I've been sitting around kinda just like BSing a lot in here, just like letting the time tick by. Just feeling really drained. I just don't have, you know, I don't really have a whole lot of energy for some reason. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna grab like a little energy drink or something, and something to kick me around for a good hour. And then I'm gonna try to get this thing just kind of washed off. And yeah, at least I'll wash it off. A little soapy water, not a whole lot, you know, kind of just to get the dust and stuff off of it. And then tomorrow I'll try to come out here and do a little tape. Let me go ahead and grab something, and I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this car down, and you guys can see that. So see you in a bit. yeah, what I ended up doing is taping off those little edges where I'm gonna go ahead and keep those black. That way there's no red gets on them, and that way I can just go back and tape it the opposite way, and then either spray black on there or maybe clean them up to back to black, or I don't know. I'll find a way to get them back to black. But honestly, I gotta say, that little green strip thing looks kind of cool. A little green tape line. Alright, enough of that. Well, like I showed you before, everything's been washed. I just used a little bit of soapy water. Not too much soap, just a little bit of soapy water, dried it off real good. You know, I did see this little thing right here. This is, I think, where the hose kind of got dragged in here. And there's a little something there, so I might have to go and hit that with some 400 grit just to smooth it on out. I don't think it'll be that big of a deal, but I'm going to smooth it on out just to make sure it's okay. And that'll be right before tape. So yeah, mosquitoes are still out and biting me. So, but I'm done for the night. I'll see you guys later.